This is PRP Hair Restoration. We are stimulating the follicles. Here, Dawn, ice. Yeah. Dawn is doing a fantastic job icing. We are working in sync. Whenever you're ready. Fantastic. Her hairline is receding. It's pretty much almost a centimeter out. This is where I'm going to go. Can you feel my finger? Fantastic. Hair loss. See, you can tell her sun damage ends here. And this is less sun damage because this is her hair loss. Thinning, extreme thinning. The gap is increasing. Her hairline used to be here. You can tell from the sun exposure, but it's receded back a half a centimeter. On this side, it's more noticeable. Okay, this redness is from my injection. See, it's receded back all the way. This side is most noticeable. You can see the sun damage stops here. This is where her hairline used to be, but now it's going backward. And very thin, extremely thin hair. Okay, are you ready, Dawn? We're going to get this side done. So ice here, here, here. Okay, perfect. So what do you feel, Dawn?
I feel barely even a little sting. I mean,
Pinch,
it's so
little pinch. Okay,
it's not even.
It lasts like a few seconds.
If that.
Okay, so I am a patient of hair loss. I've done several of these. That's why we are constantly in search of the best possible PRP concentration and the most comfortable one. And I think we have found one. And that's why we are trying that on you. And I'm very happy to have your feedback. Excellent. Go ahead and ice here. Okay. Tolerance is excellent. And I think we've hit the jackpot. I think we figured out. Okay, good. So hairline is done.